Chapter 2, Health and Hygiene. Some basic conditions necessary for good health are balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate rest, protection from diseases, food and its components. Food contains nutrients that are required by the body in adequate amounts to grow and stay healthy. The main nutrients in the food are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Food also contains water and roughage. All living things need food to live and do work. Food has 7 components. They are roughage, water, minerals, vitamins, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. A balanced diet contains the right amounts of all these nutrients. Carbohydrates give us energy to work and play. Food like bread, potatoes, rice, sugar, and cereals contain carbohydrates. Fats also give us heat and energy. Cheese, milk, butter, and nuts are fat content food. Proteins are the bodybuilding nutrients. Proteins help us to grow. Milk products, peanuts, fish, eggs, meat, pulses contain proteins. Soybean contains maximum protein. Vitamins are required in small amounts to keep our body fit and increase the body's ability to fight diseases. Minerals help in the growth and development of the body. Fresh fruits and vegetables are good sources of vitamins and minerals. Roughage helps our body to get rid of the waste easily. It adds bulk to our diet. Cereals, fruits, and vegetables are rich in roughage. We should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Water helps to regulate our body temperature. Food must be cooked with care so that its nutritional value is not lost. Cereals, pulses, and vegetables should be cooked in the water in which they have been soaked. This water contains dissolved vitamins. Keep fit. We must keep ourselves fit. We can do so by doing exercises and playing games of our choice. Exercise helps to improve the blood circulation. You can tone up your muscles and make them strong through regular exercise. While exercising, you also breathe faster and deeper. This is good for your lungs. Playing outdoor games such as football, cricket, badminton are very good forms of exercise. Posture is the position in which we hold our body when we sit, stand, or move. Correct posture is important for the overall functioning of the body. While sitting and standing, your back must be straight. The head must be held up high. Adequate rest? We feel fresh after taking rest. A good sleep gives rest to the body systems. It helps in keeping our mind and body healthy. Diseases. A disease is a state where the body and mind are not in a healthy condition. Diseases can occur due to many reasons. We can broadly classify diseases into 2 types, namely communicable and non-communicable. Communicable diseases. These are the diseases which are spread from a diseased person to another healthy person. They can also be spread through wounds, open cuts on the body, insect bites, food, air, or water. Communicable diseases are spread by microbes or germs called bacteria, protozoa, and viruses. Bacteria causes diseases such as cholera, typhoid, jaundice, plague, pneumonia, and meningitis. Protozoa causes diseases such as malaria and dysentery. Viruses cause diseases such as dengue fever, AIDS, polio, chickenpox, and measles. Some of the ways in which these diseases spread are discussed below. Through infected food and water, diseases such as cholera, typhoid, and jaundice are spread by eating infected food and drinking unclean water. Houseflies and cockroaches carry germs from sewers and contaminate our food and water. Handling of food with dirty hands and lack of proper sanitation are the main causes of pollution of food and water. Through direct contact, germs can spread from one person to another in a direct manner. When a person having any bacteria or virus in his body touches or coughs in front of another person who is healthy, then that bacteria or virus is transferred to the healthy person. Touching an infected person's clothes and utensils can also spread the disease. Chickenpox, ringworm, measles, and tuberculosis are spread by direct contact. Through insects, some diseases such as malaria, dengue, yellow fever, plague, and kala azar spread through mosquitoes, fleas, bugs, and sandflies. Through the air we breathe, some germs travel through the air in particles and droplets that remain suspended in the air for a long time. If we breathe in such a virus or bacteria, we may become infected. Tuberculosis is also called TB. It is an infectious disease. It spreads through the air. It can spread through droplets or particles. Viral fever, cough, measles, and common cold also spread in the same manner. Through infected equipments, infectious and communicable disease can also be spread from infected equipments. Microbes which cause AIDS and jaundice spread when blood and other liquids from an infected person enter our body from infected needle, scissors, etc. Prevention of communicable diseases. We know that infections spread mainly from touch, unclean water, and food, air, and through insects. There are many ways of preventing communicable diseases. Let us discuss clean water and food. We can make water safe for drinking by boiling, filtering, and chlorinating. It is important to drink clean water to prevent typhoid, jaundice, and cholera. We must wash hands regularly with soap and water, especially before taking food. Germs reside on dirty hands and under nails. We must also wash fruits and vegetables before eating or cooking them. Sunlight and heat sunlight kills germs. It is a natural disinfectant. Wash bed sheets, mattresses, and clothes that an infected person has used and expose them to the sunlight from time to time. Heating food till it boils or crisp frying also kills many microbes. Food must be covered to prevent flies sitting on it. Milk is heated or pasteurized to prevent harmful bacteria from growing in it. Food needs to be made with clean hands and served in clean vessels. Preventing breeding of mosquitoes and flies. As mosquitoes lay their eggs in stagnant water, therefore, we must not allow water to stand still in pots, tires, open vessels, drains, coolers, etc. Water tanks should be covered. Spraying of kerosene oil or petrol also can stop breeding of insects. Flies breed in dirt and garbage. We should always cover all dustbins and not allow heaps of garbage to collect near our home. Non-communicable diseases which do not spread from one person to another are called non-communicable diseases. Some non-communicable diseases are given below. Night blindness is caused if a person has the deficiency of vitamin A. The rich sources of vitamin A are egg yolk, fish, butter, milk, tomato, carrot, papaya, and mango. In night blindness, person cannot see properly in dim light or at night. Anemia is caused due to the deficiency of iron. Anemic person gets tired easily and looks pale and unhealthy. Grapes, dates, banana, spinach, jaggery, and meat, liver part, are iron-rich food. Beriberi is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B. The patient of this disease gets cramps. He becomes tired easily. He has weak nerves and muscles too. Sprouts, cereals, unpolished rice, milk, nuts, meat are rich in vitamin B1. Beriberi scurvy is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. Swelling of joints and bleeding of gums result from scurvy. Vitamin C is present in apple, oranges, lemon, tomato, amla, grapes, and cabbage. Rickets is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. In this disease, the person has pigeon chest, tiny and undeveloped, and bow legs. Vitamin D, along with minerals calcium and phosphorus, make our bones and teeth hard and strong. We can get calcium from milk, products of milk, and green leafy vegetables. Goitre is caused by the deficiency of iodine. In goitre, a gland in the neck region swells. Goitre can be prevented by iodized salt. Seafood is also rich in iodine. Immunization. A vaccine is a medical preparation which has dead or weak organisms. These organisms are introduced to the human body either orally or through an injection. These germs create antibodies against a disease in a person's system. In future, if the person is exposed to that disease, these antibodies help the body to fight off the germs. This is called building immunity towards a disease, and the process is called immunization. This is one of the best preventive measures against an infectious disease.